Yeah, you read that title right. This video is about shoes. Hey everyone, so I want to make a real quick video showing you the kind of shoes that I wear on most of my jobs. Well, all my jobs really. These are called QANSIs. I bought them on Amazon, and they usually run about 25 to 35 bucks a pair. They're slippable, and they have a really tight, snug fit. But let me just kind of get into them. These are just different colors I have. Really, the ones I wear are the plain gray ones, but the ones I wear every day are just all black. And these are beat up. These are about like 2 months old, so probably should be getting a new pair pretty soon. But the thing I love the most about this is they just have a really snug fit, and they don't slip off, they don't come off. It's just a really good fit. It's not too tight, not too wide. It's just an awesome shoe. It's so comfortable. It moves so well. As you know, I do carpet cleaning, I do carpet installation, a lot of running around, a lot of steps, and my feet never hurt at the end of the day. Another really good thing I like for tile and grout cleaning is these are non-slip. So you don't ever have to worry about, pre-spraying your tile and grout and then running over them and jumping on them and then slipping and, hurting yourself, because that's definitely happened with some other brands I have. But as you can see, these are pretty much brand new. So you can see just how well they are, but then they do get run down, That's about 2 months old. So they don't last forever, but they're pretty cheap. So at 30 bucks, I think that makes it well worth it. I know Ruben with FBSB, he wears some of these. He's really liked them in the past. Corey with Carpet Muscle, he has some red ones that are just, they're sick. I mean, the red ones are really cool. But I usually just get black because it just matches everything. So I wear them at work, I wear them to go out, I wear them for everything. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. Ever since I bought these shoes, I've never bought another single pair of anything else. These are the best shoes I've ever worn for work and for running and for going out, for everything. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. And if you have any questions, I'll leave a link in the description so you can see where to buy them. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks for watching.